What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good?
What's up? What's up?
Another beautiful Wednesday, another beautiful day, guys. I wanted to share with you some payment proof here that the My Income Club system is still doing its thing. A $500 commission came in along with the MyEcon sale came in. So guys, it's all about getting you guys financially set, financially straight, and just getting you on the right hand. on the right side of things, okay? So I know that, you know, people might have situations where they get down to their last $20, their last $30, $40, $50, $60, whatever. And they say, man, if I just had an extra $100, if I had an extra $200 to $300, guys, that is possible when you're in the network marketing space, and it's possible to make more. You know, I'm just speaking of realistically. You know, for someone that's a non-believer, because you know it can get a little crazy when we say, oh, we had $1,000 day, we had a $2,000 day. When you're able to make more than some people make in a week, in 2-week checks, and you make that in a day with what you do. And it's possible. It's just getting around the right people, getting involved in the right program. So that's why I wanted to share with you guys this information and a screenshot of this payment proof that, you know, this system does work. You know, you want to have systems that work for you. You know, so if you're new to the network marketing space, you know, you want to have something that works for you 24/7, 365, that walks your prospects through everything. You know, from signing up to the income streams, to let them know literally everything, guys. And for me, like I said, I get paid through, you know, PayPal. Not anymore, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Cash App. I get paid through Bitcoin. I get paid through my Square account. So guys, I get direct deposits with this system. It's crazy, but I'm positioned now. As I'm talking about this system here, it's actually 2 income streams that I actually talk about the most. The first one is considered MyEcon. MyEcon is a financial literacy program that's going to teach you the ins and outs of you know, financial literacy when it comes to credit. Getting some money out right now. When it comes to credit. And most people, they have to be in, you know, work at some type of financial institution or something like that to really get the type of knowledge that you need to restore your credit. But nowadays, you know, it's a lot of information that you can go find, but it's not going to show you the real word for word, the skinny on how to really do something step by step. And that's why I like this system, because it's it actually focuses on credit. It actually focuses on credit restoration. Put more money into your pocket, dividends, so you're able to earn dividends. They're going to show you how to earn dividends. I mean, literally everything when it comes to financial literacy. Now, also a caveat that I'm going to throw in with this as well is that, guys, I do have something where we're tying in with the financial literacy side, where you can actually be a small business loan broker, and it's free to join. Okay, it's free to join with this program. And what it is that you get paid off of the commissions of the loan. Okay, so it's not anything. So when people say, you know, hey, you know, what about, so what's the credit factors and all this, you know, we go off of income with the system, and you know, your credit as well. So there's a lot more factors as opposed to a traditional bank with that system there. But I'm going to drop a link where you can sign up for that for free there. And definitely we're going to really be talking a lot more about that in depth, but I wanted to talk about the system right now. So definitely check that out, get signed up, because that is an actual free system that you can join and make a lot of money. So once you look at it, the compensation plan, and once you see how many ways that you can get paid, you're going to definitely love that as well. So that's something for my freebie seekers, but also you got to be ready to work. You got to treat that like a business, because you're talking to small business owners, and these are people that could use, you know, extra inventory, someone that might need to purchase more things for their business to kind of help them out to get ahead, you know. So you're going to be talking to business owners that's going to help them get to that next level. Okay, but the second income stream is going to teach you the ins and outs of marketing. So literally, regardless of whatever that we do, if we talk about making money online, you still have to go out here and know exactly what you're doing when it comes to marketing. And that income stream pretty much is the one where I make the $500 off of. So as I'm showing people all about these businesses, there's no point in me showing them if they don't know how to go out here and promote it and how to really put their business out there. So that's what we teach you in that second income stream. The second income stream is a vault of training that you're able to earn on different levels. So you can earn at a $25 level, a $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. I think I missed one. Did I miss one? Did I say the $100 level? So yeah, $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 levels that you can earn on. But literally each level is a vault of training, and they're going to teach you how the ins and outs of marketing. Now, once you come in at that level, what you earn is reseller rights, so you can go out here and promote this product to multiple people, and you're going to get paid. But you have to be at that level in order to get paid. So if you come in at the $500 level like my buddy did, pretty much you're going to get paid. He's going to be qualified for everything under the $500 level, from the $500, $250, $100, and the $25 level, where he's going to have access to all this training. Okay, so guys, it's a beautiful thing, man, that we're going to show you how to do this. Here again, I'm going to give a bonus training, so everyone that decides to join me in any of these programs, like I said, my goal is to help you make money. So why would I be stingy with marketing methods? So there's going to be a lot of marketing methods that we're going to be talking about here in the near future as well. So guys, I look forward to working with you. I look forward to building with you. I hope that I shared some value with you in this video as well, that this is real, it does work. It's easy to make a $500 commission. Some people, have $1,000 days, $2,000 days, and some people, they have to go to work a whole week, 2 weeks to get type of checks like that, or get that as a bonus check. So guys, be in a position where you can do that now, okay? So I'm gonna wrap this video on up. This your boy Jay. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.